everyone, and welcome to day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas. And in this video I'm going to share with you journal cards that I made. Now I followed the tutorial by Amber, who is Lyric Lover 810 here on YouTube, and I'm also going to link her video to where she shows on how she made these. These are cards from Dollar Tree. All of these 4 sets are from Dollar Tree. This comes with 14, this comes with 16, and then this one comes with 12. In a later video, I will show you what else you can make with these cards. So here are my journal cards, you guys, and I made these using copy paper. And the idea was to make them thin because, I mean, they are, you know, winter themed, Christmas themed, so it's not something that I assume the person will use all year round. Just something quick, just to jot some notes down while, you know, Christmas shopping or to-do list during this holiday season or whatever the case may be. Anyway, so let me just show you what they look like, and I think these came out so cute. So thank you, Amber, for this awesome idea. The minute I saw her video, I was like, I need a tutorial. I really want to learn how to make these, and I never realized how easy it was. Now, she used composition notebooks, but I couldn't find them at my local Dollar Tree or Walmart. She did mention copy paper, so that's exactly what I did. I just used copy paper, and I believe I used 6 sheets folded in half, so you get 12 sheets per journal. And that's it, you guys. So I hope you keep watching because I do have a tutorial on how I made these. And once again, this craft project is for anyone, whether you're a crafter or not, a beginner or an experienced one. And once you're done with my video, head on over to Live, Craft, and Love by Elizabeth Garza. I will have the lineup in the description box, and don't forget to comment, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. So I'm going to show you really quickly how I made 2 of these. All of these cards are from Dollar Tree. You can see that they are super cute. I love this one because this is more like a drawing, and then these are like almost like realistic, super cute. And then there's this set right here, and then this snowman, and I think this one is just adorable. And so far I've only made 2, and you can see that I've used copy paper. Anyone can do this. Again, this is another project that is pretty much for anybody. Now, the stapler that I use is this one because, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I followed the tutorial by Amber. She used a composition notebook. I don't have one, so I am using copy paper, which I have right here, just plain old copy paper, you guys, that super thin one. She used a long reach stapler that she got from Staples, and she also mentioned that if you can't find it there, you can look for it on Amazon. So you're gonna have to check out her video for her links. This is what I'm using, and this worked pretty well for mine because I don't have a lot of pages, and I used the small one. So it was my first time ever using it, and I used it on these 2, and you know, it's holding up pretty well, and that's what that looks like. So we're going to make a couple together. Okay, something else I think is pretty neat about this project is that you don't have to measure anything. At least I didn't. The only thing you are going to need is either a good pair of scissors or a good trimmer. Now, for each of the little journals or little notebooks, I used 6 sheets of copy paper, and all I'm going to do is just fold them in half. I'm usually the type of person who likes measurements and likes everything to be perfect, but for this project you can see this is not perfect at all, and you will see why. So I'm going to do that 2 times because we're going to make 2 cards, and you can see they're different sizes. So I'm going to fold that in half one more time, and if you have a bone folder, that really does help, but if you don't have a bone folder, just use, I guess, something that has like a nice edge on it. So I'm just going to use this one by We Are Memory Keepers, just to flatten it out. I'm going to use the small one. So the way to use this tool is in the back, there is this little thing right here that you push and you line it up. Let me remove this because this is just magnetic. And you line it up to whatever stapler size it is that you're using. But in this case, I am using the small one because it seemed to work pretty well. So I'm going to grab my card and I'm going to insert this inside. Even if there's an overhang, it's okay, it doesn't matter. because we're going to trim that afterwards. So that's what it's looking like so far. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to line it up. So this line right here is kind of like your guideline, but of course it's going to get covered up by this. So, and this is magnetic and it's pretty strong. So pretty much where you're going to follow are these two arrows. So you can see that I need to lower this just a tiny bit. Oh no, I need to move it up. There you go. So that looks pretty good. So the stapler will be in this area right there where the crease mark is at. This is what we have so far. Now I'm grabbing my small stapler. I'm going to put it inside this little guide thing, and then I'm just going to staple. And that is it. See? That's what that looks like. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this end. So I want my stapler to be around there. I need to make sure these arrows are within this crease line. That looks pretty good. Again, going to get my stapler and staple it. There it is. And this is what it looks like on the other side. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that one more time. I'm going to open this up. And I want my staple to be around here because I'm only adding 2 per journal. It's not going to be perfect, you guys, but you know what? It is handmade and I love anything handmade. I'm going to put my stapler. Now, if I was using a medium one, then I would just add my medium one. But I'm using my small one. This seems to be working pretty well. Okay, so I have brought out my trimmer. This is the trimmer that I use. I do get a lot of questions about what I use to cut my paper, and I've had this thing for I don't know how long, for a very long time. You can see it's already fading, but the new ones are not like this. The new ones are a lot better. It's plastic and these marks do not fade. So it is the Caterpillar Pro. I have to tell you, if I knew about this trimmer a long time ago before buying the 12 previous ones that I bought, it would have saved me a lot of money because this is the only trimmer I use now. Now that I have my journals stapled, I'm going to fold them up and I am going to crease. I'm going to use my bone folder again. They're not completely flat, but that's okay. So all I'm going to do is just trim away all of this excess, and even if I trim off a little bit of the card, I am totally okay with that. And there's one. Now let's work on the second one. This is what I like about this project. You don't have to measure anything. So you can see I did trim off some of the card on that one, but it's okay. Here it is. I think they are so cute, you guys, because you don't have to do anything to the front if you don't want to. I won't. I'm going to leave them as is because there's already a lot going on with these cards, and I don't mind that the inside is going to have, you know, the sentiment. I think it's perfectly fine with me. That's it. You can see this is a quick project. Easy to make. Anyone can make this. I believe this so far makes an awesome little gift set for anyone, for a coworker, for your neighbors, for your friends, pretty much anyone. So if you haven't watched these videos, I will link them down below. These two, this was day 1, this was day 2, and this is day 3. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone.